the next thing you're going to master after the parallels is you're going to see if you can do short turns. Now short turns might need when you start going into like difficult reds and even blacks. Now once you can master the parallels, you'll be able to be more dynamic and feel the pressure, and you'll be able to be a lot more quicker. You need speed for this, because speed is going to be paramount. So mastering the skill will give you more control over carving and your general skiing. So what I want you to do is point your skis down the foreline, roll your knees and apply dynamic up and down flexing and extension, and the movement of popping your ankle and knees. This is going to be able to make your upper and lower body separation. And then if you can do this with rhythm, you'll be able to do some really good short turns. So the primary skill here is dynamic movement, edging, pressure control. It's all those 5 skills that I mentioned before: stance and balance, pivoting, edging, pressure and timing. So you're going to be learning 4 of those basic skills.